Good morning students. Today we will discuss the topic multiplier. In earlier videos we discussed about the short-run equilibrium output with AD and AS aggregate demand and aggregate supply, then saving and investment. Okay, we talked that there is investment in the economy, then there is increase in income in the economy. Okay, so the factor by which there is increase in income due to increase in investment, that is due to the multiplier effect. Okay, the multiplier is basically borrowed from the mathematics and it was given by R.F. Khan in economics. Okay, so multiplier is used to measure the change in income in the economy. As when investment is done, then there is a generation of employment in the economy, and due to generation of employment people get income. So due to investment there is change in income, and due to investment there is more increase in income, and that is due to the multiplier effect. Okay, so what is multiplier? Multiplier says that there is change in income due to change in investment. This delta shows change. Okay, this tells us change. So basically the multiplier is mentioned by K. Okay, this is mentioned by K. So K equal to change in Y upon change in I. Okay, K means multiplier. Okay, K means multiplier. It shows the multiplier, and change in Y means increase in, or we can say change in income, and delta I means increase in investment or change in investment. Okay, so multiplier is shown K equal to change in Y upon change in I. Okay, this is our formula of calculating multiplier. Okay, as when there is investment in the economy, then there is increase in the income, and increase in the income is more than increase in investment, and that is due to the multiplier effect. Okay, so multiplier is change in income upon change in investment. Okay, so we will discuss this with the help of table. Okay, in table you can see that in this we shown round means first, second, third, because there are many round by which rupees are converted into saving and investment, and due to how much investment is there, and due to that there is how much change in income. For example, there is investment in the economy of 100 rupees. Okay, means by this table we will came to know that how multiplier work. Okay, means how multiplier effect in the economy on investment and income. So in first round means period 1, there is 100 rupees investment in the economy. Okay, and this 100 rupees is that change in income. So but this 100 rupees means 100 rupees investment is 100 rupees income of a person in the economy, and the 100 rupees income of a person is converted into two parts, that 50 is consuming and 50 is saving. Okay, then in the next round this consumption of 50 rupees is the income of another person, and that person consuming 50 rupees and saving 50 rupees, 25 rupees. Okay, and 25 rupees consuming. Then there is 25 rupees income of other person, and out of this 25, 12.50 rupees he is consuming and 12.50 rupees he is saving. Means this shows us that if we invest 100 rupees in the economy in a time, then that generate income of 100 rupees. Okay, now 100 rupees income of a person, then what that person will do with the income? Obviously he will consume, then half money he will consume and half he will save. Then consumption of money means income of another person, because consumption is the if 100 rupees. Okay, and from 100 rupees 50 I am consuming, means I am purchasing something. If I am purchasing something means that income I have consumed is the income of that shopkeeper from where I have purchased that income. Okay, purchase the things. So the person shopkeeper that he is having 50 rupees income. Now what he will do? He will 25 he will kept with himself, and 25 from 25 he will purchase more goods in his shop. It means that 25 is the income of any another person, and what he will do? He will half income he will kept and half he will save. So this will work like this in period 10 up to 10. Then from here what we can conclude that there is investment of only 100 rupees in the economy, but increase in income is 150, 175, then 12, 87, 93, 96, 97, and it becomes 200 total. Okay, total it is 200. Total of this change in income is equal to 200. So investment in the economy is 100 rupees, but increase in income and change in income is 200 rupees. Okay, so what is multiplier? We can say that due to 100 rupees investment in the economy, there is 200 generation of income in the economy. It means the generation of income is double in the economy. Okay, so when 100 rupees investment in the economy, then there is 200 change in income, means income become double due to 100 rupees of investment in the economy. And this change in consumption and change in saving showing us that the half income is consumed by the people and half is saved. Okay, so the consumption of income is the income of other person, and out of that half is consuming and half is kept. So it shows that due to this, the increase in income is due to the multiplier effect. Okay, multiplier is working here, and due to that there is increase in the income is double. Okay, so we can calculate that change in income is 200. Okay, K is equal to change in income upon change in investment is 100. So what is multiplier? K is equal to 2. So 2 is multiplier. Okay. Now we will discuss about the relation between MPC and multiplier. MPC and multiplier. What is MPC? Marginal propensity to consume, and what it show? Tendency of the people to consume, that how much income people consume and how much they save. That tell us MP as marginal propensity to save. Okay. So what is the relation between MPC and multiplier? MPC and multiplier. There is positive relation between positive means, what is means of positive? Means MPC increase, then multiplier is higher, also increase. If MPC decrease, multiplier also decrease. Okay, so in what direction MPC is changing? In the same direction multiplier is also changing. So there is a positive relation between MPC and multiplier. And what is MPC? MPC is marginal propensity to consume. It means that out of 100, if people is consuming 50 rupees, then our MPC is 0.5. It means that MPC is higher. So increase in MPC, increase in multiplier, and how we calculate this relation? K is multiplier equal to 1 minus MPC. Okay. If we have given MPC, for example, MPC is equal to 0.5. So we can calculate the value of multiplier 1 minus 0.5, 1 upon 0.5, okay, into 10. MPC is increasing, multiplier is also increasing. Now we will get to know that how this formula we using. Okay, we know that y is equal to c plus I. Okay, and how we calculate c? Y minus I. Okay, and what is the formula of multiplier? K equal to change in y upon change in I. Okay, so we can put here change. It does not matter what will be the value. Okay, now if we want to calculate change in I, then change in y minus change in c means if we subtract consumption from the income, then we calculate investment, and if we subtract investment from the income, then we calculate consumption. Okay, so here this value can be put in this change in y upon change in y minus change in c. Okay, we can put change in y 1 minus change in c. Okay, and change in c tell us about MPC, marginal propensity to consume. So we can write here 1 minus MPC. Okay, so if we want to know the relation between MPC and multiplier, then there is positive relation. And how we calculate multiplier? If we have given MPC, then using this formula 1 minus MPC. Whatever the value of MPC we will put here, and by this we will get the value of multiplier. Okay, so this is the relation between multiplier and MPC. Multiplier work. Now we will discuss that multiplier work in forward and backward action. Multiplier work in both the direction, forward and backward. Forward and backward. Okay, as we have discussed that there is positive relation between MPC and multiplier. So due to that, multiplier, there is increase in investment, there is increase in income. Okay, that is forward action. Means due to investment in the economy, increase in investment, there is increase in the income in the economy. That is called the forward action of the multiplier. Means multiplier work in forward direction. Okay, and backward direction means that when people start saving more and investment is less in the economy. Okay, so due to decrease in the investment in the economy, there is decrease in the income in the economy. Okay, decrease in investment, there is decrease in the income in the economy, and that is the backward action of the multiplier. Okay, so multiplier work in backward action due to decrease in investment in the economy. It means people are saving more income and investment is less in the economy. And if multiplier working in forward action, it means there is more consumption in the economy. MPC value is higher. Higher MPC means higher multiplier. So multiplier working forward action. Okay, so multiplier work in both the direction. It depending on that there is more consumption or investment in the economy, then forward action. If more saving in the economy, then there is less. Then there is decrease in the income in the economy. Okay, so it works in the both the direction. So this is our topic of multiplier. Watch the video. Also read from your book. Any doubt, any query,